Rediscover the joy of coding with Flexbase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your resilient, scalable .NET application is ready. Let's see how. Business analyst tech leads interact with the business domain experts to capture requirements as use cases, user stories, BRDs, wireframes. The business analyst or tech lead can then create an application on Flex Studio and invite your team members to contribute to the application. Here we have an application named e-commerce demo, which has one module named customer with 6 features. Each feature is an action triggered from the screen by calling a backend API. For a feature, choose one of the listed actions. Here, feature add customer has the following validations. Is the customer unique? Customer name doesn't start with number. And command customer added is to be executed when the validations are cleared. The subscriber sent email to customer on added is to be invoked when the command customer added is raised. The subscriber will raise an event when it has successfully sent the email. The BA tech lead can also add any references, files, web pages that are relevant for the feature which the developers may find useful to refer. Step 3. The tech lead architect first chooses the path for the base solution structure projects for the application. The solution project files are auto-generated and copied into the chosen folder. The solution projects for the e-commerce demo application include all plumbing code for the ESB, messages, controllers, handlers, DBs. These are generated in a few minutes and are neatly organized into logical folders. The tech lead architect chooses the features, applies specific configurations such as whether to use eventual, non-eventual consistency, or whether to use the Flexbase provided base domain model, custom domain model, and clicks Generate. When the code gen is done, view the generated code and copy into the solution folder structure. High-quality domain-based boilerplate code auto-generated in a few minutes. FlexGen frees the developers from having to write any infrastructure plumbing code. They can now focus fully on the domain logic for validations, commands, events, and subscribers. Generated code is easy to read, understand, and maintain as the domain naming convention is carried through from Flex Studio to the generated code. Step 4. Now developers can focus on the business domain without worrying about any info-related coding, and your API coding is done. Your resilient, scalable, distributed application is ready in quick time. Out-of-the-box features. Failure resilience. Multi-tenant, single-tenant switch. Pub-sub patterns. Multilingual capabilities. FlexiSearch. Dynamic workflow engine. 2D state machine. Core industry client domain abstraction hierarchy. Enjoy plug-and-play flexibility with Infra. Easily swap. Databases. Enterprise Service Bus. Queues. Joy of coding with Flexbase. Save developers and architects time. Ship your applications faster. An innovation from Sumeru.